Hi there, friends. So I am here today to share with you an unboxing of something I am super excited about. One of my big goals for 2018 is to be really intentional in loving my husband well. We don't get to get out often. His schedule is crazy. My schedule is crazy. Being a homeschool family kind of limits funds sometimes for babysitters. So I am trying out night-in boxes. Very excited. The first one that we're going to be trying out is the Winter Wonderland Faith Night In. So there's also a date night in and there's a kids night in, and I think they're working on a mom's night in, but they all come with all kinds of goodies. So let's open up our box and see what we got. Oh my goodness, it smells like pine. How fun is that? So we have our box, or our little booklet here. Winter Wonderland Faith Night In. So this one is, let's see, we have prepare your suggested dinner recipes, and they give you a website to go to for that. And then it tells you how to set the mood, the date night itinerary. So this one's, they partnered with the Adventure Project this month. Every month they partner with a special group to do kind of a charity. So every month when you get the night-in boxes, you're helping them help somebody else. So that's fun. And let's see, you play a game, you discuss, you prepare your drink. Look how pretty the illustrations in here are. And then it takes you through prayer and reflection, and it tells you all kinds of fun stuff. Wow, this is really exciting. And there's a discussion guide. It has scripture in here for the Faith Night In. And ooh, create a gingerbread masterpiece, and then prayer and reflection. So it kind of walks you through the whole thing. We have our little name tags. You got coal. Yes, probably. But you're not naughty. You've done something nice. You just helped to provide women in Kenya with new charcoal efficient stoves. So that's the people that they partnered with. How fun is that? Ooh, for a cookie camper kit. So we make a cookie camper. This must be the icing. Okay, so there's all kinds of fun stuff in here. So here's the icing bag. Here's some green decorative, green decorative icing. I've got some shoulder stuff going on. So fun times. Hot chocolate spoons. Okay, so this is fun. So you can do hot water or milk or coffee and use your little hot chocolate spoons to make hot chocolate. And this must be the lump of coal soap. I'm really intrigued by this, guys. I want to see what it looks like. So we're going to untie the little baggie here. Isn't that cute? This would be a really fun gift to give to a couple you know that doesn't get out very often, like us. Because it's important to pour into your marriage too. Not just your homeschool, not just your kids. You have to work on that relationship too. It smells really clean. So you can see these are the little soap bars. Now, if you've never used charcoal soap before, it's phenomenal, especially for boys with stinky feet. I bought a bar just for the boys in my house to use on their feet, because even though they're young, they like to play outside a lot and they can get really stinky feet. So let's finish looking through our box. Tune or tale. So this is, oh, how fun. So this is a little game you get to play. This is going to be one that I can probably play with the boys too. But yeah, so you get these little cards with the game, and they've got the instructions. Here's some more pieces for the little camper. Black icing. That's fun to play with, but it will stain your teeth. I've done this before. Look at how cute the little gingerbread camper is. And then here we have balsam fir incense. So it says to burn these balsam fir sticks and enjoy the relaxing scent of a quiet walk in the woods. That's why the box smelled like pine when I opened it. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells like spruce. It's really nice. It's not like that fake Christmas tree smell. So I will hop on after we do our date night and let you guys know how it was. But this looks really fun and like a really nice way to spend some quality time together, building that relationship and building our faith together after the kids go to bed. See you next time. Bye.